1, 2, 3, come count with me. 4 and 5 as bright as can be. 6 and 7, wave your hands high. 8 and 9, reach for the sky. 10 little fingers, clap, clap, clap. Let's count again. How about that? Oh, clap your hands and count again. 1 and 2 and 3, that's 10. 4, 5, 6, we spin around. 7, 8, 9, jump off the ground. 10 little toes go tap, tap, tap. Counting's fun, imagine that. One little bunny hops so high. 2 little birds fly in the sky. 3 brown bears are dancing slow. 4 green frogs say ribbit hello. 5 cute kittens play in line. Now count to 10, it's counting time. Whisper 1, whisper 2, shout out 3 and 4, yahoo! Whisper 5, whisper 6, shout 7, 8, do some tricks. Whisper 9 and then again, shout out loud, we made it 10. March along, 1, 2, 3, left and right, come follow me. 4, 5, 6, step nice and tall. 7, 8, 9, don't trip and fall. 10 little steps, hooray, hooray. We can count and march all day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hooray. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we say. Numbers are fun for you and me. Counting makes us happy. See, let's sing again and count once more. From 1 to 10 and maybe more.